So you can fix iPhone apps download getting stuck in waiting on home screen. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is just go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to Wi-Fi and turn it off. And after you've turned off Wi-Fi, what you'll need to do is just go back to your settings and go to general. Now after you're on your general, just scroll down and find date and time. Now after you're there, make sure that you've turned off set automatically and just set it manually. Make sure that you've manually set the correct date and time. And after doing that, what you will need to do is you'll need to turn on location services. To do that, go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find privacy and security. And after you're there, just go to location services and turn it on. Now after doing all of these, go back and just go to Wi-Fi and turn it Wi-Fi on. And what you'll need to do is just go back to the app and reinstall it. Just tap on pause and again tap on it again to unpause, and your app will start downloading again. So that will basically fix the problem, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.